Today I'm going to show you how to reuse a Highlander key to a 4runner key. So as you can see, this one works, this one doesn't work, it's a used one. So we're going to use the SKL 7 from Tango. So that's the system that we're going to use. We can leave the original key in the car, so we're going to take the Highlander key and do the programming. So the first step that we're going to do is connect Tango. Let me show you. I'm going to connect it here, right there. Okay, so we're going to open Tango app. It's SLK7 right here. So we go to car models, choose Toyota, utilities, SLK07, and that's the app right there. We're gonna the first step is reading the key information. So we read it. We already read it, and we need to write this key to the emulator. So we press select Toyota, that's okay, and that's writing to the emulator. Tango system, beautiful. So we just wait until it finished. Then it says okay. So this is gonna emulate this key so we can add it to the car. So we go back to the car, and this is the original key and this is the emulator key. So we're just waiting, turn the ignition on. We're using the Smart Pro. Turn the ignition on, press OK, and it's asking the usual to add a key. So press OK, it's OK again, and then we touch the original key, and then we touch the emulator. You can hear it took the key, it took the emulator. We just wait. Would you like to add another key? No. Do you want a ECU ID link? Yes. We already have the ignition on. It's okay. And we touch the emulator again, and then it took it. We turn off the ignition. So we take the emulator back. We leave the original key here, and we gotta read the information from the car that is stored in the emulator. Read SKL. It says okay. We take the emulator out. We put the Highlander key so we can write it back, and we press right key. And success, it's okay. So we're gonna check it. Maybe you can hear that it's working now. We go back to the car. And this is the original key. This is a Highlander key. Thank you for watching.